Hello everyone. In this video we'll configure purchase options, which is in your purchase module. This is how you fine-tune or work on the purchase workflow to behave across the entire system. To navigate to the purchase module setting, we go to the purchase module on the left of the screen, and then we go to our settings. To go under purchase options. Under purchase options, we have a tick where we say not create purchase requests or quotations. If you check this box, it will not create any purchase order or request. When the person is checked, it will skip the creation of requests and quotations automatically. This is ideal for organizations that go straight to purchase order without going through the requisition stage or the quotation stage. The load items by vendor, when enabled, these load items linked specifically to the selected vendor. This ideally ensures accuracy of our purchase order. That means you'll only see products that are associated by certain suppliers, and they will not be with other suppliers. So accuracy improves when we have that check. We can, for purposes of this demo, leave it unchecked if we are yet to configure vendor items. Then we have only show prefix numbers or purchase order number fields. The idea is if you turn this on, the system will display only the prefix and number in your purchase order reference fields without extra performing. This keeps the document numbering clean and standardized, so we can leave it as it is. Allow vendors to register, we can keep it checked. This allows new vendors to register themselves directly from our portal. It is useful, especially when we're working with multiple suppliers and want to reduce manual data entry so that the suppliers can register themselves into the system. Once they register, they can review and approve their profiles under the vendor section of the system. This controls whether tax is displayed per line item on our purchase document. We keep this enabled to ensure that transparency and accuracy in tax computation, especially when we're dealing with mixed tax rates or VAT rates. Send email welcome to new contact. So once the vendor registered, when it's on, automatically it sends a welcoming email to any new vendor or contact added. One, it maintains professionalism and improves communication with our suppliers. And finally, reset purchase order number every month. If enabled, our purchase order numbering resets at the start of each month. For example, PO01 in January and PO01 again in February. This keeps our ordering number organized by period, which is useful for high volume purchase order. Therefore, we can keep it checked. Reset data button highlighted in red, as we can see. It allows us to reset our purchase order configuration back to default setting. Therefore, use this button carefully. It's best reserved for testing or when reinitializing our setup. So ideally, for our option setting, we are able to configure that in terms of how we need to do. So for our medium-sized entities, we need to check for creation, not to create purchase request and purchase quotation, but for purposes of this demonstration, we have to create because we want the entire process. We allow vendors to register. We allow show tax per item. We reset purchase order number every month. That consideration ensures balance automation, ensures vendor control, and ensures document clarity. With that done, we've successfully set up purchase options in iExcel Core. In the next video, we'll move to units where we'll define measurement types like pieces, kilograms, or hours, essentially to standardize our item purchase. Thank you for watching, and remember, run your business smarter with iExcel Core. Thank you.